Hello, welcome to Jordan Richard's YouTube channel. So I'm looking at my brand new car. What a lovely day to show you it. So let's get to it. So I've been waiting for this for about a week, just over a week. Really nice car. Nice bike going up. But yeah, here it goes. Here's my brand new vauxhall Corsa 1.4. What a lovely machine. As you can see, it's bigger than the other car. It's got a nice spoiler here. Really nice that is. This is a 2018. So I traded my other car in and put more on top of this one. But yeah, what a really nice car this is. I love it to pieces. Obviously I do a couple of videos on this. One would be the engine, one would be the tyres, one would be the inside. But so far I'm just going to do the bodywork. And then after this video I'll do probably the inside and then do the wheels. But yeah, and then do the engine. But yeah, as you can see, what a lovely car this is. Yeah, look at it, beautiful. But yeah, I'm going to try something a little different today. I'm going to try, so I always say it in my videos but I never do it, try to put a bit of music around on this. So I have tried it on my other videos, it didn't work out too bad. But let's try it, because this camera can do it properly pretty good in like slow-mo. But yeah, I will try. So that was a little clip off the car round. I'll show you in the boot in a minute. It's pretty cool. There's no spare tyres, excuse yeah, my wet stuff. But yeah, it's got a pump and all in there for the tyres, for if you have a puncture. Oh, the carpet's massive, man, can't even get it out. Hang on a sec, I've got my fingers stuck now. Right, that should be better. But yeah, got the electric, that's better. Yeah, I don't believe how dirty that was. Yeah, you can put spare tyre in there if you want to, but yeah, not bad. You got the fluid, you got a couple of spanners, you got a tow hitch and all. But you shouldn't need it in a 2018 car, brand new. The same you've done, well, when I had it done 15 miles, if that. That's just to drive it around, make sure everything's alright. And I've done a few miles. I'll just go inside and then just show you quickly. I've done 72 miles, as you can see there. There you go. But yeah, I'm going to do the second part of the video now. So you got your petrol cap there. Here's your wheels. A lot bigger than the other tyres on the old car. Yeah, so no more old car anymore. No more vauxhall Corsa, even though this one is. But yeah, I'll do the video. There'll be a lot more to come. I hadn't even started with this car yet, but okay. Also, this has got nice running lights, all day running lights, basically all night as well. Obviously when the car's off it turns off, but yeah. See, I'm going to do a nighttime video. Haven't really done one before, only once on a tractor, and that's about it. But I want to show you these lights in proper nighttime. Show. Gave it a nice clean and polish earlier. I picked this up yesterday. I didn't have time to do a video, but I'll turn on all the lights just to see the lights. There's the lights. Like I say, I'm going to do a nighttime video anyway, so you'll see it properly. Yeah, you got your spotlights down there. Won't show you properly. Got your spotlights. Really, what a beast of a car this is. Can't wait for future videos on this. But yeah, see that watermark there, come down there. I ain't got any cloths. Oh, I've got one cloth in the car, I might get that out. Yeah, lovely alloys. This got drum brakes at the back, front disc at the front, but brand new. All this is brand new. This got sport suspension on this one. This is like a VXR bodywork. This is what they class it as. Obviously it ain't a VXR, but they class it as a VXR bodywork, which is cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'm going to crack on and do some more videos. I would set the camera and just do a drive up and down, but too many people here, so I'd probably nip the camera. Loads of bikes out today. Nice day for it. Yeah, it's inside the car. But yeah, that'd be a further video. Okay, this inside my car, turn that off, don't want to get copyrighted. Yeah, this is my car, obviously inside. Complete different, well, not all different, the steering wheel's different. It's a VXR steering wheel and all in this. So it's a sports steering wheel. All the controls the same. Let's turn that on. Like I say, we've got 72 miles on it. You got your window wipers there. See the speed of your window wipers, your back window wipers. It's very hard with the steering wheel right there. Lights are out everywhere today, but that's for your computer. So if you look, when I press the arrow down, it shows you miles per gallon. Same as the other one. Let's zoom in a little bit. So you got your miles per gallon. Obviously your mileage, how much fuel, miles per gallon, stopwatch if you want to see how long you are driving, tyre pressures, front and back. Let's turn that aircon off because I got the window open, and the speed settings, service time, all that lot. I have it on speedo. Here, now this is what, zoom out, now this is where it gets interesting. So you got your radio, but you could choose, oh not that one, you could choose what station you want to be in. Obviously I'm not on Bluetooth or nothing like that, but it changes this up. So basically it's hard to explain properly because I'm not 100% sure yet. Like I say, we got the car yesterday, hadn't done proper research into the computer work yet. But I'll roughly tell you what it is about. So if I go to home, then you got your OnStar. Like I say,
goodbye.
Basically, these buttons up here, press on. I'm going to set this up in a minute. You can have your Wi-Fi and all on this, which I don't know if you have to pay for the Wi-Fi or not, but I'm going to find out in a minute. But yeah, you got all your gallery, your phone, how to set that up. You got your other stuff. There's loads on there. But yeah, I'm gonna set this up. I'm gonna try it now, and then I'll try to come back. This isn't eco. This just got the city mode on lock, unlock, and lock. It's a 5-speed gearbox, quite quick. You got your electric mirrors, you got your windows up and down both sides, handbrake, seat belts. There's the seats at the back. These have got sports seats, really comfy in the other seats out of my old car. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can set that up and have a look. So, but yeah, you got your volume for your radio. And your phone, my phone's vibrating in my pocket for some reason. But yeah, who's that? Oh, nothing. Don't know what does that. Yeah, you got your anthem hang up. Then your cruise controls over here. Your horns in the middle. Yeah. And your lights are down here, light settings set up there, and your fog lights for front and back. So yeah, that's all I have to say for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll go into further detail when I know a bit more. So thank you, and bye.